Para sa Diyos, para sa bansa. Alam niyo naman siguro kung kaninong linya ito. You know what? Hindi naman ako content creator who tackles politics. As much as possible, I don't want to be associated with it. I just want to share good vibes. But you know what? Sometimes when you see things happening around you, it's so hard to just look away and act like everything is fine. This is just my opinion. And I guess we will all agree with me that we are entitled to it. Hindi ko kasi siya nakikita na isang simpleng pampulitikang usapin. And I want all of us to look at this not in a political perspective. Sir, with all due respect, it's no longer just about the title of being a senator that you carry. Above all else, it's about the belief and the faith you are representing. And that's where the heartbreak comes in. Sir, matanong ko lang po, is this because of the unity or pagkakaisa that you are talking about? Pinili mo bang sumabay na lang sa agos at makisama para sa sinasabi mo pagkakaisa? So when you choose to align on certain political sides for the sake of pagkakaisa, is it truly for the good of the people at para sa bansa? Sir, I went back to the Bible and asked a question. Did Jesus ever side with those who opposed him? Para lang magkaisa ang lahat? Did he ever compromise the truth just to maintain the peace with the people in power? I guess no. He stood firm and he even died on the cross for what is right. I decided to speak hindi dahil gusto kong makisawsaw sa politika, but because I believe that faith without work is dead. I'm just sharing my thoughts. You may agree or disagree with me. You're also entitled with your own opinion. I hope let the weight of those words sink in for the viewers.